Go in your tunnel. Hi. Ha ha. Mommy made you a fun playhouse. What else is there to do on a rainy day? What else? But make a tunnel. Ba 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 ba. Go in your tunnel. Go. Ready? Get in there. Mandy's in there. Go. Go, Aaron. Go. Good job, buddy. Mandy, get back here. Mandy, go. Mandy, get. Are you? Mandy, go. Get off there, you reject. Mandy, get up here. Mandy, get in the tunnel. Aaron, go get her. Go, Mandy, go. Go, Mandy, go. Go get her, Aaron. Go, Mandy, go. Oh, there she went out the side way. Don't wreck the tunnel, buddy. How are you going to get out? That way? You can go out that way. Here, look. Oh, there's the ball. That's what you're looking for. Yay! You'd rather play ball than play tunnel? Fine, be that way. Well, it's pretty makeshift. Certainly can't go to the pool this weekend, can we? It's going to rain all weekend. Are you playing ball with Mandy? Where's the ball? Go get the ball, Mandy. Bring it here. What'd she do with it? Bring it here, Mandy. Go get it. She's so silly. Mandy, get the ball. Get the ball. Go get it. Make an effort. Get the ball, Mandy. Bring it here. Oh, you're so sturdy, dog. Hi. Like your tunnel? Go play. Ba 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 ba. Can you reach it? Good grief, between the two of you. Bunch of whiners. It's right here. Throw it for her then. Hi. Aaron wants to throw it for you, Mandy. Not on the tunnel! Crap. You're going to collapse it. You think that's hilarious? No, not on the tunnel.